We will now move on to discuss forecasting methods. A more detailed explanation of individual forecasting methods will be provided in future courses.
So, how do we actually do the forecasting?
There are two types of forecasting methods, quantitative and qualitative.
How do quantitative methods work?
They use mathematical analysis to find patterns in past demand, which they use to forecast future demand. It's like when we see bicycle sales increase a lot each April. We forecast that demand will increase by the same amount this coming April.
One type of quantitative method is time series methods. They use factors such as trends, like an increase in demand for cruisers over the past 5 years, seasonality, like increased sales each April, and cyclical factors, like how sales are low in the first quarter of the year, but go much higher in the second quarter and even higher in the third, and low again in the fourth quarter.
All those factors go into an equation to estimate future demand. Examples of time series methods are the moving average method and exponential smoothing.
What other types of quantitative forecast is there?
Causal methods. We look at historical sales to identify causes that lead to changes in demand, like that an increase in the marketing budget of 20% leads to a 10% increase in cruiser demand.
Finding that relationship between an increase in marketing budget and increase in demand is called a regression analysis. We combine that with a time series forecast to make our forecast.